Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make stew in Minecraft. This hearty meal is a fantastic way to restore your hunger and saturation, keeping you adventuring longer. We'll cover all the essential ingredients and the simple crafting process. You'll be able to whip up a delicious stew in no time, ensuring your character stays well fed and ready for anything the game throws your way. Let's get started. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need at least one red mushroom and one brown mushroom, which are commonly found in various biomes, especially dark forests or swamps. Next, craft a wooden bowl using 3 wood planks in a crafting grid. For a more potent stew, consider adding other items like flowers for suspicious stew or even chorus fruit for a unique effect. These additions can provide special status effects. Now it's time to craft your stew. Open your crafting table. Place the wooden bowl in any slot in the crafting grid. Then, arrange your red and brown mushrooms, along with any other desired ingredients like flowers, around the bowl. The order of the mushrooms and other items doesn't matter. Once all the components are in place, your delicious stew will appear in the results slot, ready for you to enjoy. Mushroom stew is a fantastic food source, restoring 6 hunger points and a good amount of saturation. But don't forget about suspicious stew. By adding different flowers during crafting, you can create stews that grant temporary status effects, like jump boost or poison. These variations can be incredibly useful in specific situations. Always keep a few bowls of stew on hand for your adventures. They are a reliable and efficient food source.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.